Hello student, welcome to the online tutorial section. Today's topic is MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. It is designed to extend over an entire city. Okay, to cover up the entire city, we can use the MAN technology because lands cover the smaller area like an office area or a building area, something like that. But to cover the area more than that, we require MAN network. So it may be a single network such as a cable television network, or it may be means of connecting the number of LANs into the larger network so that resources may be shared LAN to LAN as well as device to device. Sometimes it may happen that 2-3 LANs we are connecting so that we can cover a large area. So after connecting the small LANs area, we can form a big network. That network may call that metropolitan area network. Okay, so government agencies uses MANs to connect the citizens and the private industry. We are using this one to connect different used by actually different government agencies so that they can connect to the citizens as well as the private industry. Okay, so in MAN, various LANs are connected to each other through a telephonic exchange line. I am saying that 2-3 LANs are connected to make a bigger network, that is MAN. So 2-3 LANs are interconnected by the telephone exchange line. The most widely used protocols in MANs are RS-232, frame relay, ATM, ISDN, OC3, ADSL. These are the protocol. Why it is protocol required? Previously I have explained that to access a network we need to follow some rule because we are transferring the information one person to another one. So that for this transmission purpose we need to maintain security. To maintain this security we need a rules. This set of rule for the communication is known as the protocol. So different type of protocols we are using, and it is also that it is the range. That is range is higher than the LAN, because if 2-3 LANs are connected to develop a MAN, so it is normally from a common sense we can understand that MAN is having the higher range than the local area. A MAN actually be wholly owned and operated by the company, or it may be service provided by the public companies. Okay, and many telephone companies provide this popular MAN service that is called switched multi-megabit data service, that is SMBS. Okay, now we are moving to the picture of it. See, this is actually the picture of a metropolitan area network. See, this part is an individual LAN, this part is an individual LAN, this part is an individual LAN, this part is an individual LAN. Okay, we are connecting all this individual LAN to make a bigger network because coverage area is huge in case of metropolitan area network. Now we will talk about the uses of this metropolitan area network. That is, MAN is used in the communication between the banks in the cities. So in a city there are many branches. Suppose take an example of a SBI bank. So in a particular city in a Kolkata, maybe SBI having thousands or more than 1,000 number of branches. So using we need to connect, because suppose we are having account in a Beleghata branch account, but right now you are in Behala, so you want to withdraw some money, so from the Behala branch. So if you go, because you are having an account in a one bank, you go to the other branch, you write down the slip and everything, you will showcasing it, you will get the money. Or you try to give the money deposit, you want to deposit, you are not in your home branch, from other branch also we can access. Why? Because information are actually on a sharer basis, information are in the sharing mode. So as the information are sharing mode, and all the other branches of the SBI in a particular city are interconnected. If it is not interconnected, then the information are not on the sharer basis. So that's why we need a centralized DBMS. It is a client server base, that is the main point of view of a network. The server has been set up and different terminals are there, and through the different terminals, if you request to the server will provide you the information. Like that, if you are not at a home branch, but if you are in other place, you can withdraw the money from the different branch account, or you can deposit the money from different branch account. This is only possible because all the branches in the city are connected with each other in a network. Next option, it can be used in the airline reservation, because airline reservation is a big area, because from a city to city you are traveling. So in that case, all the location in a city, so there are only one terminals are there, one airports are there, so through which you can go to the any city or any city. So from that they are interconnected, the systems are there, DBMS database systems are there, through which you can get the information. So it is a bigger one, airline reservation. Okay, it can be used in a college within a city. So all the colleges are comes under different university actually. So all the colleges need to getting the instruction how to run, what are the syllabus and the curricular. Everything is guided by the university. Like the same thing, if you how many colleges are there, how the colleges are doing and everything. If you need to connect, then you require the metropolitan area network. The next one is it can also be used the communication in case of military. For a regiment, there are different regiments, because regiments are there because the area wise regiments are there. They are trained in the special cases. The different regiment having the different specialities actually. So like they are saying that it can be used in the communication, because generally this networking system and this DBMS defense security things are generally involved by the military in the Americans. So in case of military communication, for the secure communication purpose, for a particular regiment to a different regiment connectivity or interconnectivity between the regiment also, we can and done using the metropolitan area network. Thank you students. I am ending my lecture.